Yes, so everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today I just want to first say thank you for all those people who are liking my video. So they've been liking. So I've got on the last video, which was a 60-minute Golang course, 444 views. Then we've got the Ruby course actually did very well. So thank you so much. And we got to 8 subscribers. So that's just crazy. So thank you very much. So today we're gonna do something that I think people will really like and enjoy, and it's gonna be the Python course. So I think everyone loves Python. Like you can't not love Python. That's just silly. So today we're gonna start with. So we're gonna create a repo, and it's gonna be named the Learning Python. So as you know, this all these tutorials are posted here on my page on Replit. So just gonna um so it's gonna be tutorials point and it's gonna be Python. So so I think Python really goes is really a very good point. A very good programming language. It is used for a lot of things. I don't know why my repo isn't being created. So by Wi-Fi maybe. So we've got here the Python tutorial. So we got here. Okay, nice. So as always, we're gonna create a new learning folder, learning, and this is gonna be our testing file. Okay, so we're gonna go with the basic syntax. Okay, yep. So easy as is. We might get into the advanced tutorial. It's not so difficult sometimes. I'm gonna go through all of this. Okay, there's something that are not gonna be here, but I'll explain them. Okay, so we're gonna go through this. Okay, first, so how do you print something on Python? Well, actually, no. Comments. So comments are made like this. So hello, YouTube. Comments are made like this. They're on green, so they're actually really good. So it's a simple comment. It's just a hashtag. No multiple line comments, just one. Okay, so we're gonna go here, file, comments, comment.py. Okay, so we've done Golang tutorial, Ruby tutorial, and now Python. What are the upcoming tutorials? So there's gonna be an HTML tutorial, then a separate CSS tutorial where we edit the web we did. Okay, so maybe I just combine those two. Then we're gonna have a programming language called Rust, which is actually really popular. And then we're gonna go through other things. Maybe we go through a JavaScript course, which I'm sure you'll enjoy a lot. And maybe we go through some frameworks. Okay, so I've got lots of things planned. So just click on the bell, and you'll be always updated. So here we have hello YouTube, simple as that. So now we've got other things. So how do you print something? So with a print argument, okay, it's not very difficult. So print. Okay, so remember, normally if you do it like this, it won't work. Okay, so it has to be lowercase. Print hello world. Hello world, simple as that. So we're gonna go here, and this is gonna be print. Okay, py. Okay, simple as that. There's not really Python. I consider Python a very easy programming language on the fundamentals. Okay, so it's not very difficult. So then we have got variables. Okay, so we've seen this. Variables are is just giving something a value. Okay, so simple as this. So let's say. So this also is with like this can also be done with inputs, which I'm sure they're shown here. If not, I'll do them, okay? And then we're gonna do like a little mini activity where I do something cool, okay? So it'll be so cool. Okay, so you can do a variable with an input or just like give a value. So 1 equals 2, okay? And print 1, and I will print 2, okay? 2, okay? Simple as that. So then we have 2, which will equal 1. 1 minus 2, okay? So these are the variables, and then these these this is the print argument with the variables. Okay, nice. So Python, as you may have seen, is actually a really easy programming language sometimes. So also like it's very fun to do. So Python is mainly people use it to do fun projects. Replit, the Python template actually has 8 million forks, nearly 9. The old one had 10 million forks, so it's actually impressive. So people really enjoy Python. It's a very fun programming language. It's used to do many things that are really useful. So yeah, Python is something very enjoyable. So then we're gonna go to basic operations. Okay, so we're here again. So you know from other things. So we have plus, we have minus, we have times, we have divide, then we have oops, my fault. No, actually like this, and then double. Okay, simple as that. So this is an power. Okay, so it's power, and then this is floor division, and this is modulus. Okay, so floor division I gotta put, so floor division is like that. Okay, so plus minus mul div square floor, and I don't remember the name of this mod. I'm just gonna call it mod. So these are just like little phrases. Okay, so simple as that. So actually there's not really difficult things on these. So I'm just gonna do simple operations, and then you have variables, and we're gonna have 1 equals 5 and 2 equals 3. Okay, print 1 plus 2. Okay, minus times divide mod square and floor. Okay, and here we have them. Okay, simple as that. There's not really a really big thing. Okay, here. So simple as that. Yep. So this will be operations. No, operator. Sorry. Operator.py. Oops. It has to be lowercase. Oops. Okay, simple as that. Okay, nice. We actually did this very well. So decision making. So these are the F and O statements. I won't show this. I think they're more. So I'm actually gonna show it, but not like so. I won't show this. So like at this time you have to see more things: inputs, arrays, strings, numbers, lists, okay? There are more things, imports. So to do this, you normally play with inputs, okay? I think they're not gonna show you inputs here, okay? So I'm gonna show you an input, okay? Um, so let's say we're gonna name this input username, and then it's gonna be input and hi, I'm okay, and we're gonna so now I'm just gonna let you 10 seconds to think what we're gonna continue with, okay? So 10 seconds. Okay, that was more than 10 seconds actually. So, okay, so maybe you guessed that we're gonna use a if statement. So yeah, we are actually going. So if username double equals, so that's equal, equal. So print hi, and then plus username, and then else print you're not equal. Okay, so hi, I'm Hugo. Hi, Hugo. So let's try and put another thing. You're not Hugo. Okay, so simple as that. So these are the if and else statements. So we start with an input. Then we're gonna start. Then we have if statement, and then we have an else statement. Else state. Okay. Statement. Oops, I did a mistake here. So simple as that. So these are gonna be inputs and variables. So we actually did two things in one. So nice. This is gonna be input, and if, and then else. So actually three things. Then else. Okay, yep, so like that. So we actually did one code for three things. So nice. Guys, so it's been 30 minutes. So actually I think this tutorial is gonna be very not so long, so very short. So I'm gonna go through the while loop only, okay? So I wanna like stress anybody. So I'm gonna explain this code, okay? So this is actually not good. Okay, so I'm gonna put this. Okay, so count 0 while count is larger than 9. The count is count, okay? And then we're gonna add to the count 1 until we get to 9, okay? So until it's larger than 9. So it has to be printed 10 times. Okay, no, actually, I did my bad math 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I actually did bad math. I added 1. Okay, so it has to be when the value is the same as 9, it stops, okay? So actually gonna go through all the loops, okay? So I'm not gonna be so we start with the fine count. No, the fine count which is a variable, comma, which is a variable, and then we have while loop, count 9 is larger than 9. 9 is larger than count. While 9 is larger, print code this, then, and then add count, add 1 to count, and then print goodbye. Print when loop is finished. Okay, simple as that. So it's not really so tricky doing this things. So while I was correct. While. Nice. Okay, nice. So I did say that I was only gonna go through one, but I'm actually gonna go through some. I'm gonna go through these only. Loop, not control statement. So I'm not gonna do that today. Okay. So just gonna go through here. Okay. Right. So I'm gonna go through this. So I'm gonna copy this code. So we need our brackets, guys. Brackets are important. I don't know what Python they used, but okay. So for letter in Python, okay. So for letter in Python, print current letter, comma letter, okay. And then we have this array, okay. This is an array. So fruits equals banana. So we got this. For fruits in fruits, print current fruit, okay. So this prints this current letter, okay. So it prints the letters in Python, THON, okay. And then it prints the current food, okay. So it literally prints this. So we're gonna start print letter in Python, print letter in the word Python, and then fruits array prints fruits. Okay, simple as that. So it's as simple as that, and then prints when finished. Okay, so this is a for loop. Okay, so for the pie, my bad. Okay, then we have the last loop, nested loops. Alright, I'm trying to find something easy because maybe we don't do this. Okay, so look, it just puts all the prime numbers in this example. So it defines what a prime number is and how you can get the prime number of something. Okay, so I'm actually not gonna do this. This is for people not in this tutorial. Okay, I just don't want to push so much into loops. Okay, so loops can actually be very difficult, so I'm not gonna push. Okay, so I'm just gonna do only 2 loops, which I've done, and we're gonna lay it there. So if you want a challenge, I do highly recommend investigating about nested loops and how to do one. Okay, so for me, I think this is, I'm not gonna do it. It has also another loop, which is a while. Okay, so I'm not gonna do it. So then we have numbers. Yep, numbers. Okay, so literally it's just showing a var. Okay, so it's just showing a number. Okay, so I can't do anything about this, so I'll just do this. So 1 equals 1, 2 equals 2, 3 equals 3, 4 equals 4, 5 equals 5, 6 equals 6, 7 equals 7, 8 equals 8, 9 equals 9, 10 equals 10. Simple as that, guys. Okay, we can actually put this into an array, but I'm not gonna do it. Okay, so these are numbers. Okay, so guys, we're still in primary, so we're still learning about this. So my web actually bugged for some reason, so I'm just gonna reload. I think I misclicked something, so it's not the web's fault. So these are numbers, guys. We're still in primary. Okay, so don't worry. Number. Okay, nice. Okay, now we have strings. Like literally, I showed what a string is like 30 minutes ago. So it's literally the same thing. 1 equals. I don't know if you can do this. 1. Okay, so you can do this. You can give a number a value, but you can give a string a value. Okay, so I'm gonna do 1 equals 1. Okay, so you know what I'm meaning. So 2 equals 2. So I'm not gonna go through all of it again. So it's gonna be 3, and here we stop. Equals 3. Okay, nice. These are strings for primary kids. So string dot py. So this is for primary school. So actually, I don't know why we're doing this. Lists. Okay, they call it a list. I call it an array. Okay, so it's the same thing literally. So Python list. So it's just an array. Okay, so and in the arrays you can just put like the strings or numbers, or also like variables. So it's quite good. So I'm gonna do an array which puts all the letters in my name. So that's name equals strange brackets h comma u no what did I do no comma g comma o. Okay, nice. And then we print name. Name. Okay, no strings needed. Okay, so it actually prints this. Okay, so and then we've got, so I'm just gonna add some comments, array, and then print array. Wow, Python is actually easy. Wait, that's a lie, but sometimes it can be really easy. Okay, so I'm gonna go here, array.py. Okay, array.py, nice. Then we've got list tuples. So let's see this. So man, I don't know why they don't put brackets. Like brackets are needed, obligatory. So here, brackets are like really needed. I don't know why they don't want to put them. Oh no, what's wrong there? So you gotta put brackets, okay? But okay, like that. Oh my god. Yo, like you gotta put brackets, okay? So okay, beam. Okay, simple as that. Okay, so this literally prints TUP1, okay? 0, so physics, okay? TUP1, 0, okay? So it will print this. If we put 1, so if we put 1, it will print another thing. It will print chemistry, okay? So this is 0, this is 1, okay? And then if we put 3, yeah, it will print 2000. So tuples are this, okay, so there's not really strange things on tuples. So they're easy. Tuples, tuples, tuples. We print tuples. Print tuples. Okay. So normally my lessons, I think they have like 15 files. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now 13. So okay, so we've actually got 13 files. So okay, so we got 13 files. So it's actually very good. So I want to know where I put that. Okay, like where did I put my code? No, 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 no. I don't know where I put my code. Literally. Okay, nice, nice, nice. So then we have dictionary. Okay, this is literally like the same thing. So the same thing in some way. Okay, so like so they use these. Okay, so they use that, and then they say the age equals 7. So I put print age, and that's 7. Okay, so I'm gonna like rapidly, like really fast explain this. Okay, so just gonna copy this and I'm gonna explain it. Okay, so oh my god, guys, you have to put brackets. Okay, so it's obligatory. It's not something you choose. Okay, you do create Python. Okay, bro, nah. So okay, name dictionary. Sorry, dict name. It prints name literally, and then dict name. Oh my god, name, and this will be Sarah. Okay, so it's a second value in name. Okay, and then dict age. So age, and then it prints the second value. Okay, which is not string. So it's not string. So here it's not string on this part. So and then it prints Zara. So no, it prints, sorry, this is age. I'm going, this prints Sarah, and this prints the age, which will be 7, okay? Okay, simple as that. So it's actually very simple, okay? So then I'm actually like impressed they're not showing some things I do consider more important than others. Okay, it's here, okay? I wanted to show this myself, so this is date and time, so I'm not actually, so time, I use time for another thing, so these are dict.py, dict.py, okay? So we can do more things with this things. So now we're gonna do another thing. So now we've got, I'm just gonna show imports, okay? So there are a lot of imports in Python, but I'm gonna use time really. So it's time.sleep, and this like makes a phrase come like on a certain time, so it waits. So I'm gonna say 5 seconds, no, actually 10 seconds, and it's gonna be print hello. Okay, so we're gonna click, and it is here. So nice. So actually you go away a lot. So these are 10 seconds. Mine are normally 0.5 or 1, so just depending on the thing. So you can also do like more things. So we've got other imports like import OS or import random. So here it is like this. So this yellow line, because it's being unused. Random import is imported but unused. Okay, so well, okay, so these are the import and import being used. print string. Okay, simple as that. So just gonna. So this is import. I'm gonna name it import. Okay. Yep. So we actually have like 15 or 16 files, functions. So this is actually like really easy. Okay, so it's nothing like from the other world. So to create a function, we name this def. Okay, so and then it's gonna be named. I'm gonna lang, and then hello, and then print hello Python. Okay, then print no hello. Oops, not my fault, my fault. I did something wrong. So you gotta put a semicolon here, which I actually put, but I didn't do this. So we got this is so we gotta print, and then we gotta return this. Okay, return. So actually, I'm really messed up here for some reason. Okay, so look, I'm gonna explain out of this code because I do understand this code. See, so it won't print str. So okay, it won't print it because no brackets as always. So I'm actually gonna explain this. So I did a mistake. So actually gonna do it again. Def pi h hello print h return, and I'm actually so I gotta put this so like that. So and it's gonna print. So it's actually not printing something for some reason. So this is what, so we use def for a function, so I'm gonna annotate. Def is used for a function, and this is like the thing, so this is the function, and this is like in some way the thing, so it's named h. Oops. This is what it's gonna do. So and then instructions. Alright, nice. So this is a function. I'm just gonna call it def. Alright, nice. Then we have modules. Import support. So literally this is so imports. I'm not gonna go through this. It's just like simple import, and just has, so imports have new things, so they're libraries in some way, and they provide new things. Okay, so here you can see what they do. So here they do a variable which will then be useful for the support for the import. Okay, so here's a variable. Then we have, I'm just gonna go quick through these things. So this is just like printing something. Okay, so but no brackets for some reason, I don't know why. And then okay, now I see the inputs. So these are inputs, but I explained it a little bit better. So it's just the input we used, and then we have exceptions. These are the exceptions. So there are actually a lot of exceptions. So if I don't mess, so I think here there were, yep, 29 exceptions, and yep, so 29 exceptions, so it's just some things. Okay, and then we have, so then here just put some code. This is actually, it might look difficult, but it's actually really easy when you read it, once you read it. And now I'm just gonna do a quick thing. Okay, so we were, as I said, this course is not gonna be long. Python, I've learned it by myself. I've everything I know I've learned by myself. I've never went to classes, so yeah, Python has always been a really easy thing for me for some reason, but it really can get tricky. Okay, so So the challenge is to in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so now in less than 5 minutes, I got to from an array to something random. Okay, so we import random. Okay, and then we're gonna do an array. So this is gonna be numbers equals oops. So oops, my phone. Why I'm being so numbers equals no 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, no. Yo, I'm clicking random things. 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay, then like 12, 22. Okay, nice, like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna. Then we got print random dot choice. That's gonna be numbers. And I did it in 1 minute and 10 seconds, so it's actually a really good time. So it's as simple as that. There's literally no more things needed. I'm just gonna do some more things. Then we've got letters equals G and H, no, an H I said, plus letters. Okay, and now it's gonna be input. No, okay, it's actually not working right now. Oops, my fault. Yeah, I'm actually doing it bad. I know why. Oops, numbers. I just wanna, I thought I copied these, so letters. Okay, now 3 and G. I'm trying to get 6 and G. 6. Come on. No, come on. Yeah. No. Oh, I got 6 and H. So it's actually really fun doing these things. Okay, so actually my favorite import I'd say is random. Really, so I really like the time import. It's really useful. So and now I'm gonna do a second challenge, which I hope doing on less than 2 minutes. So just gonna wait 15 seconds until the time starts. So okay, I'm gonna wait. Just having a sip of water, and we're gonna start 3, 2, 1. Okay. Import time. So print no user print no input. So and you're so I'm just gonna get that user. So print welcome plus user. Okay, simple as that. So then okay, so I'm just gonna make this better actually. So welcome. I actually did a mistake there. We'll go Raplet. And then I'm gonna oh 1 minute import time. No, random, and then number n equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print your number is plus random dot choice number n. Okay. Ugo. Okay. No, I did bad. No, I'm just gonna print this random choice. I did a mistake. Now I know why. Welcome, Ugo, Okay, so this is the tutorial. So I hope seeing you in the next tutorial will be a framework tutorial, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.